Hello, and welcome to a deep dive into profitable injection molding machine business ideas. Perfectly suited for beginners in Pakistan, this exciting field offers a wealth of opportunities, and we're going to explore several promising avenues to help you get started. Let's begin with the lucrative area of manufacturing plastic housewares. Pakistan boasts a substantial market hungry for affordable household items. Consider producing essential products such as buckets, storage containers of various sizes, versatile organizers, and durable storage boxes. These items are consistently in demand in households across the nation. Next, we'll examine the significant demand for plastic packaging solutions. You can establish a successful business by focusing on producing a wide array of containers tailored for food products, cosmetics, and pharmaceutical goods. These are indispensable items across numerous industries within Pakistan, ensuring consistent demand for your products. Consider the diverse needs of the food sector, from takeaway containers to food storage solutions, and cater to the specific requirements of cosmetic packaging or specialized pharmaceutical packaging. Thirdly, let's explore the dynamic world of automotive parts manufacturing. Pakistan's automotive industry is experiencing considerable growth, presenting a great opportunity. You could specialize in producing essential components, such as interior trims, protective covers, dashboards, and an assortment of other small, yet vital, plastic parts. With the increasing production and sales of vehicles, the demand for these parts will consistently rise. Think about the variety of car models and the parts needed for each. Fourth, we have the thriving electronics sector. Consider producing plastic casings and components for a wide range of electronic devices. The demand for these components is perpetually high, driven by the ever-evolving technological landscape in Pakistan. Envision the casings for smartphones, laptops, and various other electronic gadgets. The market for these products is always expanding, offering considerable business potential. Fifth, let's look at the exciting prospects of customized product manufacturing. Offer personalized items such as keychains, phone cases, promotional products, and bespoke items tailored to specific customer needs. This business model caters to a niche market, allowing for premium pricing and strong brand loyalty. Explore the possibilities of personalizing items for businesses, events, and individuals. These specialized products are highly sought after. Remember that before you begin, thorough market research is absolutely essential. Also, make sure that you create a comprehensive and well-structured business plan outlining your goals, target market, financial projections, and operational strategies. This is crucial for securing funding, attracting investors, and successfully navigating the competitive business landscape. Good luck with your injection molding business venture.